Harry bought X apples for Y dollars, and 3 of the apples were rotten, and he threw away and sold the rest of the apples at 30 cents each. Which of the expression gives the total profit he made? So let's start from there. Okay, maybe it's useful to tabulate it so it's a kind of easier to see the information. It's also much better organized. So what he bought, I'm just going to write it in this row, right? So he bought X apples. The number of apples he bought is in X, so I'm writing X over the number of apples. But we do not know what's the unit cost of the apple, so I'm just leaving it blank. But he paid total of Y dollars, so that's why the total is Y dollars for X apples. And 3 of the apples were thrown, okay, thrown away because they were rotten. Of course, he bought X apples and he threw away 3 of them. So what he will be selling is the balance, okay? So X, you got to subtract away a 3. So that's a X minus 3 apples is what is going to sell. And you are told that the unit cost of each of them, the unit cost means per apple, the cost is 30 cents. And 30 cents would be, if you convert it into a dollar, so you're going to take the 30 divided by 100, which is of course going to become 0.3 of a dollar. Now, why would I want to keep it to a dollar? Because you notice that all the answers are also in dollars and the total is in dollars. So it's better for you to change the cents into dollars. So that's the reason why the unit cost has been changed. If one apple is going to be sold for 0.3 of a dollar or 30 cents, and you're going to sell altogether X minus 3 apples, so how much would be the total amount of money that you're going to collect? So obviously you're going to multiply these two quantities together. So X multiplied by 0.3, and that would become 0.3 times X, which is 0.3 X dollars. So we have taken the 0.3 multiplied by the X, and we still have the minus, correct? So minus 3 times 0.3, and that should give you minus 0.9. 3 times the 0.3 is 0.9. So it's a minus. So it's actually 3 apples were thrown away. So therefore, it's going to be 30 cents times 3. So you are not going to get that 90 cents. So that's why it's, we have taken away the 0.9, which is minus 0.9. Now, when we want to calculate the profit, so how do we calculate the profit? Profit is the total sales, which is 0.3x minus 0.9. From that, we're going to subtract away the total cost that you will pay to buy any product, right? That's the cost price. He bought it for Y dollars, so we're going to subtract away a Y dollars. And that should be your answer in terms of X and Y for the total profit he made.